Today I'm going to teach you about the lines of symmetry. So we're going to start with a 2D shape, which I just have a regular piece of paper, which is a square. And you cannot do any 3D shapes, so no cubes, prisms, or anything like that. So you can do squares, triangles, rectangles, rhombuses, any type of flat surface shaped. So first you're going to draw a dot in the middle, because that will be your starting point. So I'm going to draw a dot. There's my dot in the middle. And then I'm going to draw one vertical line and then one horizontal line. Vertical is up and down, and then horizontal would be side to side. So right now I have 2 lines of symmetry, but because I have a square only has 2 lines of symmetry. You can show an example by folding your paper in half and see exactly how the sides line up. And then that could be your one line. See? And then your square will also go folded this way. So a square has 2 lines of symmetry, but it split my shape into 4 different sections, but there's only 2 lines. I have a couple more examples that I've drawn out. I have a heart, a triangle, and a cross. Now I drew these so they're not perfect, but they'll still work. So I have a triangle here. So I'm going to locate the middle with a dot. And then I'm going to draw one vertical, up and down, horizontal, side to side. Now, with a triangle, I can fold it in half, and all my sides line up. So there's my one line of symmetry. If I open it up, it's straight down the middle. But if I fold it horizontally, my sides do not line up, and I have extra space over here. So a triangle only has 1 line of symmetry because it can only fold in half this way. My next example is a heart. Now a 2D shape is like a figure 2. So I'm going to locate the middle of my figure or shape. There's my dot. I'm going to draw a line horizontally and vertically. With my heart, I'll fold it in half. And all of my sides equal to one another. So I have 1 line of symmetry. Now, if I fold it down, it does not work. I have 2 extra sides here that are not equal to anything. So therefore, I only have 1 line of symmetry. Now my cross is a little wonky because I'm not the best drawer. So I'm going to draw my line or my circle to put it in the middle. Here's my dot. I'm going to fold it in half. Oops, I forgot to do the vertical lines and horizontal lines. So I'm going to fold it in half once again. And all my sides are even. They're all equal. I have no extra space. So I'm going to unfold it. You can see the crease is your 1 line. So now I'm going to fold it down. And if you do it all correctly and your lines are all even and stuff, it should be equal. So a cross has 2 lines of symmetry. Most of the time they only have 2, some will have more than 2. This is an example that we actually had in our last exam. It was the letter 8. And so the letter 8, if it's drawn perfectly, you can locate it in the middle, which is kind of where the 2 lines intersect depending on how you draw your number 8. And then you can draw your lines vertically and then horizontally, which would be straight through the middle. And basically, the number 8 is just 2 circles stacked on top of each other. So if you hold it like so, you will see that it splits. And then you can fold it in half. So the number 8 has 2 lines of symmetry. So that is how you can find symmetry in 2D shapes. Thanks for watching.